Welcome again to Citywide Tips and Tricks. Abby here with February's topic of routine window washing. Just like anything in your home or office, routine upkeep on your windows and exterior of your building can have a significant impact on the bottom line. Let's find out what you need to know to stay on your game. While there are many benefits to routine window washing, today we'll be talking about 3 specific advantages. Avoiding big maintenance expenses. Just like getting your teeth cleaned on a regular basis can avoid major surgeries such as root canals, keeping a window cleaning schedule can also help your window glass and seals last longer. The second advantage to routine window washing is your ability to make a good impression on visitors to your building. Streaked, dirty windows don't look nearly as professional as clean, shining ones do. And how your building looks to a visitor can have a large impact on what they think of your company as a whole. Third, a lack of clean windows or a job done poorly can lead to less light entering your building and more reliance on expensive use of unnatural light. So make sure your vendor uses the right tools and techniques to give your office the best advantage to all Mother Nature has to offer. The last piece of information to consider when looking for a window washing vendor is safety. Adherence to OSHA safety regulations is key to making sure every precaution is taken. No matter if your building is 3 stories or 30, a properly trained crew will make sure your building is cleaned as safely and effectively as possible. Thanks for joining us for some more information on the importance of routine window washing. If Citywide seems like a good fit for your company, contact us today for a free building survey and to find out more about how we can create the best plan for your needs and budgets. Tune in next month for Citywide Tips and Tricks.